तहजीब का रंग सुनहरा हो, गंगा जमुना मेरी आंखें, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हो, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हो। मैं बेटी की मुस्कान में हूँ, विज्ञान और किसान में मैं हूँ, हर वीर हर जवान में मैं हूँ, सीमाओं का पहरा मैं हूँ। मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूँ, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूँ, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूँ। Good morning everyone. Today we come together to celebrate the spirit of Swaraj, our nation's hard-earned freedom and the brave hearts who made it possible. Swaraj means self-rule, and it reminds us how important it is to value our independence and respect those who fought for it. Our little stars have prepared a joyful dance performance to honor the spirit with love and pride. Let's cheer them on and celebrate Swaraj with smile, music and unity. Jai Hind. Now, I would like to take this opportunity to invite respected director Mrs. Saili Bhosle ma'am to come forward and take over the proceedings. Please join me in welcoming her to the stage.
Good morning everyone. Namaste and Jai Hind. It fills my heart with immense pride and joy to welcome each one of you to Swaraj, our very special celebration of India's Independence Day at Angels Paradise Academy. This event holds a deeper meaning for all of us this year as we step into major milestone, our decade of excellence. Yes, it's been nearly 10 meaningful and magical years of nurturing young minds, fostering imagination, instilling values and building strong foundation for life. And what better way to mark this journey than by celebrating the spirit of freedom with our children, the future of nation. Swaraj, as the name suggests, is about self-rule, self-expression and self-discovery. And through these 4 days celebrations, we aim to help our children understand not just the story of our freedom struggle, but also the essence of what it means to be a proud and responsible Indian. Over the next few days, you will witness a vibrant blend of patriotic songs, energetic dances, inspiring speeches, and adorable role plays, all brought to life by our little angels. Each performance is a labor of love filled with innocence and emotion. And through these expressions, our children are learning about courage, unity, sacrifice, and most importantly, gratitude for the freedom we enjoy today. These celebrations are not just about rehearsed performances, they are powerful learning moments. As educators, we are deeply committed to shaping children who are not just academically prepared, but emotionally connected to their roots, to their country, and to the world around them. I would like to take a moment to express heartfelt thanks to our entire teaching and support staff, our admin team who have put their hearts into planning and preparing this event, and to our wonderful parents. Thank you for always being with us, trusting us, supporting us, and growing with us over the years. As we embark on this journey of Swaraj, let us carry forward the legacy of freedom, the joy of childhood, and the pride of excellence that defines Angels Paradise Academy. So, with deep gratitude and great excitement in my heart, let's begin this celebration. Jai Hind, thank you very much. And now to take you forward the beautiful line of performances and patriotic expressions, I am delighted to invite our very own Yashashri ma'am to take the event forward. Over to you, Yashashri.
Thank you, Saili ma'am. That was indeed a beautiful introduction to our event. Day 1, Day 2 was a super success, and today is Day 3. And with all your applauses and your cheering, I'm sure it will be again a super duper success. sir and Mr. Shreyas Bhosle to please light the lamp to start the event.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डवण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमां आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीम्.
Thank you very much. It is our honor and privilege to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Dinesh Bandila, Principal, Pawar Public School, Amanora, who has kindly accepted our invitation to grace this occasion with his presence. Mr. Dinesh Bandila is an accomplished leader and the principal of Pawar Public School, Amanora, bringing with him 19 years of experience in the field of education. With a strong academic foundation in physics, BSc Ed and MSc in physics, Mr. Bandila combines subject expertise with a deep understanding of effective teaching methodologies. His journey in education began as a passionate science teacher, and over the years, he has taken on various leadership roles such as head of department, academic coordinator, and headmaster, which has each one of has shaped his dynamic and visionary approach to school leadership. Thank you, sir, for being part of Swaraj event. May I call upon Saini ma'am to felicitate Mr. Dinesh Bandila as a token of appreciation. Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time has come when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. These iconic lines, spoken by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister, still resonate in our hearts as we celebrate the spirit of independence. A very warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Dinesh Bandila, our respected parents, our directors, Mrs. Saini Bhosle and Mr. Shreyas Bhosle, to Swaraj, the Independence Day celebration at Angels Paradise Academy. Today's celebration is the result of the dedication and hard work of our teachers, admin staff, support staff, children, and of course our dear parents. We are delighted to share this special day with you. At APA, we focus on the holistic development of every child, encouraging each one to explore, learn, and excel. Let me take you through a brief overview of our journey so far, this academic year, and a glimpse of what's to come. Start of the academic year. The session began in April 2025 for nursery, prep 1 and prep 2. Our youngest learners in playgroup and nursery had a settling period with their parents to ensure a smooth and happy transition into school life. Teachers upskilling. In today's dynamic world, continuous learning is essential. Our teachers undergo extensive training at the start of each academic year and regularly participate in workshops to enhance their skills and bring innovative teaching practices into the classroom. Competitions and activities. Children in Prep 1 and Prep 2 are encouraged to participate in various competitions held throughout the year. As the saying goes, winning is not important, participation is. These experiences help build confidence, public speaking skills, and sportsmanship. For nursery, we focus on developmental activities rather than competitions, ensuring learning is engaging and joyful. Co-curricular activities. A variety of activities across all classes make learning fun, meaningful, and easier to understand. Celebrations. Celebrations in preschool are joyful that play a vital role in child's early learning journey. They create cultural awareness, joyful learning, and promote social skills. At APA, celebrations are the cornerstone to create memorable experiences. Tiny polygons. Bonjour, guten morgen are some of the tiny words that we will be listening from our little learners. Early exposure to languages boosts cognitive growth. From nursery onwards, children are introduced to French, and in Prep 2 they begin learning German as well. Monthly Reader Program. In collaboration with Oxford Publications, we have introduced a structured reading initiative for nursery, Prep 1 and Prep 2. This program nurtures a love for books and enhances reading skills through level-based stories. Upcoming events. Angels Paradise Academy, as we all know, is a hub of celebrations where learning meets fun. Upcoming highlights include Grandparents' Day, festival celebrations, Meet the Champions, Sports Day, Annual Day, and Kidsathon, a marathon exclusively for children. We promise more learning, more fun, and more laughter as the year unfolds. Thank you for trusting us with your precious ones and being an integral part of the Angels Paradise family. We request you to remain seated during the performances. We all know that we are very excited to see our children on the stage. You can take the photos and videos from your seats only. We will be sharing later some videos and photos. So you can enjoy and cherish your child's performance without distraction. Let's celebrate today with pride, gratitude and joy. Enjoy the performances and the spirit of Swaraj. May I call upon Mr. Dinesh Mandila sir to share his thoughts during this special occasion.
Good morning, everyone. It is with great pride and heartfelt gratitude that I stand before you today for this Independence Day celebration. Angels Paradise School will always hold a special place in my heart, as this is the first time I have been invited as a guest. A moment I will cherish forever. I would like to begin by sincerely thanking Sayali ma'am, the director, Mr. Shreyas, Ms. Nidhi Satyagrahi, the admin head, Ms. Yashasvi More, the center head, for inviting me here. It is truly inspiring to stand before you today and reflect the profound vision and philosophy of this school. If you all have seen the vision of this school, what's the vision of this school? The vision of this school is children learn what they live. What they live, what they see. What they see from us, that is what they learn. So it is we all who are going to shape them for the future. The future of the country, we say that the children are the future of the country, but that future is how we shape them. So that is a very good vision that I have come across when I was going through the website. And coming to the philosophy of the school, don't think what you want to be, think what you want to do. It simply means that just by thinking things don't work, you need to put things into action. Action speaks louder than words. So I think that the school is doing a very good job, but the vision and the mission, when we think of that, that is where the motto of the school, what they want to bring in society, that reflects. The school's vision is not just about academic excellence, it is about education, and in embracing this path, it is nurturing not just successful individuals, but responsible, thoughtful, empowered citizens of tomorrow. Ma'am, your dedication in shaping young minds and building a strong learning environment is truly commendable. I actually wanted to narrate a story for the pre-primary children. I thought they would also be here. If you all can just remember, the youngest freedom fighter for our country was Baji Raut from Odisha. He lived in a village. He was a son of a boatman. He used to help his father in taking people from across the shore. One day, as the Britishers were going all around to collect taxes. They were looting everywhere, as we all know that. So when he got to know that, when the mother asked, he asked the mother that, can I have some more salt? The mother refused. Why did she refuse? Because there is a lot of tax, that is why the salt is very costly, so we cannot afford for that. So that is where he has joined hands with all the elder people to fight against the Britishers. And one day as the Britishers were going around to each and every village, they came across this river, they asked him that, we want to cross the shore, take us in your boat. He refused, being an 11-year-old child, he refused. He stood very strong, was very brave to say that no, I am not going to take you, because if I take you, we are at loss. Okay, so then they killed him. The Britishers killed him, 11-year-old. So if you check in our history, he is the biggest freedom fighter known as. And this is what we can also tell our children, that be brave, talk, whatever you feel when there is something wrong. So that is how we train them. So this actually I wanted to narrate this one to the pre-primary children, where I was very sure that I cannot narrate as the teachers can narrate, because I never taught them. It's very difficult, so I asked ma'am, who all are going to be the audience? Okay, that's fine. Now do we all know that, did India ever try to conquer any other country? Did we ever try to go and rule any other country? My question to you. We never, right? We never did. But yes, we did in a different way. We conquered a country which is nothing but which is China for 2000 years without sending a single soldier onto the other side. How did this happen? In 1937, a Chinese scholar, he was a chancellor of Beijing University. His name is Hu Shi, H-U-S-H-I. So he was invited by Harvard University as they were celebrating their 300 years of Harvard University success. He was invited and he was asked to speak on a topic. The topic given to him was Indianization of China. Indianization of China, which we never thought of. Even I was also reading, then I got to know that this is something new for me also. So I thought I can share. I'm going to share with my school children also day after tomorrow again. So how did we conquer them? He said, it is a conquer. They have ruled us for 2000 years just by their culture. The values of India, that is what we all wanted to learn. The civilization that India had, that is what we all wanted to learn. So it took 2000 years for us to learn from whatever India was doing. So it is not just a journey of India only after 1947, or it is not that just 200 years. We were a country with the world's largest GDP. I think we all know that. Okay, we are also the India is also called as Sone ki Chidiya once upon a time. But after the Britishers conquered us, when they left, we were left as the poorest country, one of the poorest countries. Okay, but with all the known and unknown freedom fighters, we all rose again. Why did we all rose again? Because of the civilization that we had, because of the value system that India has. We all know that in which direction does a tree grow? Which direction does a tree grow? First it grows down into the ground. The root system, it has to go through the darkness. It has to push all the dirty soil. These are all the difficulties we will face. So how strong is our root system? The same will be the fruit system. The fruits which we can see, it is just the reflection of the root system. So what is inside us that comes out? The inner world that we create for us, and we can also say that what is inside us that will also reflect in these children. These children cannot decide things on their own. Whatever we give them, they will come up and they will serve our country in the same way. Yes, we may say that there are many things that are maybe going wrong, there are things not as per what we want and all, but after all this, so many years of struggle and all, if we teach our children that, as the school says, it is action that has to come up. Children should be brave enough to take an action. You need to be brave enough to fight, even though there are many who are saying wrong thing, we should always do. Even this 1%. Always stand for the right. Choose the hardest right over the easiest wrong. This is what all our freedom fighters have done. So that is how we all want the freedom. So that is the Indian system of values which we all have to take ahead. Yes, we are learning things from the other countries also, but then we cannot forget our own values, our own culture, because this, if you all remember what I said is, it has ruled China for 2000 years without going there. So that is the actual way of winning hearts. That is what India has taught us, our ancestors have taught us. As we celebrate Independence Day today, let's not only remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters, but also take a pledge to nurture the next generations with strength, love and purpose. Together as teachers, as educators, as parents, let's raise children who are not just smart, but also brave, kind, but always rooted in the spirit of India. Yes, I'm not speaking about many of our freedom fighters generally. Whatever they have done, we all know. They will also learn whatever they have done. But then the value system is where I always emphasize on what we are is because of the value system. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for sharing the inspiring thoughts. And of course, they are our future, and the values that we instill them in now will definitely help them in the future. With thoughts that truly reflect the pride of our nation, let's welcome on stage Yug Shah, Pratham Sahu, Tia Patil, Rudra Mahajan, Sharvil Pratap Singh, and Twisha Agarwal from Prep 2.
Freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our heart, memories in our soul. Let's settle the nation on independence. Good morning, all and all present here. I extend a warm welcome to each one of you. Greetings on this momentous occasion of Swaraj Day. Today, we We should unite in pursuit of a single vision. Viksit Bharat, our greatest asset is our youth. Let us empower them to innovate, express and lead. Let us nurture research, digital services and grassroots empowerment. Let us resolve to take ownership of this mission and say together in one voice, Viksit Bharat.
Thank you, children. That was indeed inspiring. To set the stage for a dance that celebrates the spirit of our nation, I now invite Ms. Purnima Gaikwad to give a brief introduction.
Very good morning, everyone. The mashup I Love My India and Chapde is a patriotic song that celebrates the beauty and diversity of India. The song serves as a powerful expression of love and devotion to India, enrich a sense of nation identity and pride. It is a patriotic song and a sports anthem which implies a call to action and collective efforts, emphasizing the importance of national unity and responsibility. On this special occasion, our little stars are ready to light up the stage with their mashup dance for performance. So please welcome them with big round of applause. Anish Mishra, Trisha Paul, Shardul Chowdhury, Sanaya Patel, Madhav Bhosle, Ritvik Gupta, Naveen Kaur Maman, Arya Agrawal, Inia Sheikh, Nurvi Chowdankar, Ania Atsur, Shivja Saxena, Anmi Shah, Anurag Singh, Arik Lovia, Shivansh More, Mohammad Zami, and Nishani Dagadia.
Let's clap for them, parents, as they are coming on the stage. Yes, we want the dance to be perfect. It's the last minute adjustments. Yes, ma'am. Aren't they looking cute? And they're waiting for their dance to start. Yes, give a thumbs up to your parents. Say, we'll do our best. Yeah? All the best, children. See, ma'am is ready over there, okay? Let's start.
लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा, लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा और देखा जापान। माइकल देखा, एल्विस देखा, सब देखा मेरी जान। सारे जग में कहीं नहीं है दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान। ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया। I love my India, I love my India.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले, कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले, कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल से बढ़िए, तुम में करिए या करिए, हाँ कोई तो चल से बढ़िए, तुम में करिए या करिए।
Wow, children, dance like stars, keep shining always. You can see the effort and practice in every step. Great job, children. Wasn't that a wonderful performance? So Chak De India, as we always say. Let us listen to our young patriots as they voice the essence of freedom and speak about the spirit of our nation, India. We have with us Daksh Verma from Prep 1, Ivan Agrawal from Prep 2, Amaina Verma from Prep 2, Anaya Adsod from Prep 1,
Yes.
Ashwin Singh from Prep 1, Shivai Kaul from Prep 2 and Mishra Khandelwal from Prep 2. So let's welcome on them on the stage with a big round of applause. Slow.
Freedom is a gift, but it comes with great responsibility. We must be honest, kind, and hardworking citizens. Today, as we gather here to
children, thank you for your inspiring words that you shared with our audience today. Yes. क्लास में जाना है नहीं जाना भी. Our playgroup Angels will be performing for the first time at Angels Paradise Academy, representing India in its diversity. So playgroup parents, are you excited to see your children for the first time on the stage? Right. May I call upon Miss Avni Somaya to introduce the tribute that celebrates our nation.
Good morning, one and all. Today, we are celebrating India's Independence Day with joy and pride. On this special day, we remember our great leaders and many others who helped India become free. We feel proud to see our national flag, sing the national anthem, and dress in beautiful tricolour clothes. Let's all say together, Jai Hind! Bharat Mata Ki Jai! With pride in our hearts, let's all clap and cheer our little playgroup children representing different facets of India with love and happiness. To begin with, we have Gianna Jada representing the national animal Kyra. She is just fearless and fierce just like it. Now, meet the tiny Pandey, Iman Chauksy, who is following the footsteps of Mangal Pandey with heart full of patriotism and a spirit of freedom.
I am Mangal Pandey.
Little Patel, big heroes. Pure honor is strutting down the ramp with confidence and charm, just like our beloved leader, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Spreading these colorful wings is our little peacock, Myra Bhamdani, proud and vibrant, just like our national bird.
I am Peacock Jalai. I am Peacock Jalai.
Now we have our young dot, Atriti Srivastav, as Mrs. Indira Gandhi. She represents a leader who made a lasting remark in our country's history. balle balle. Now comes our Punjabi pride, Aditri Sarathe, who is looking vibrant in a colourful salwar suit, highlighting the spirit of North India. Now comes a little nightingale of India, Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. She was a great poet and a brave freedom fighter. Let's cheer for Ashvi Singh for this lovely tribute to a true national icon. Vanakkam, a southern charm, Sara Nalaure is looking adorable in Kuttu Lehenga, highlighting the beauty of South India. Oh, that was a heartwarming initiative by Little Learners to celebrate Independence Day. I request everybody to come on the stage with the biggest smiles as it's time for a special group photo.
Yes, let's welcome them again with a big round of applause and little playing patrons. Let's have a beautiful group picture with them. fighters and the future for India, let's invite on stage Lakshit Reddy from Prep 1, Sheerja Saxena from Prep 1, Yuvan Sharma from Prep 1, Vedansh Paravkar from Prep 2, Rida Jagdale from Nursery and Shrinika Fund from Prep 2.
I am the Ghazen. I gave my life for my country at 23. I am Rani Lakshmi Bai. I fought the Apollonius to protect my land. I use these not very geography. This is not just about the past, also that reflects our present and visualize the future. As a great nation, we bear the responsibility of upholding the principles of justice, equality, and fraternity. It is a day to remember our past, celebrate the present, and commit to building a better future. उजियारे दुनिया में हिंदुस्तान का तारा चमक रहा है आसमान में तिरंगा हमारा We are the voice of freedom, loud and clear. We the future citizens must contribute by studying sincerely, being honest and caring for the environment and staying united.
Thank you, children. That was indeed awe-inspiring, and your thoughts are definitely to work upon in the future. Coming up is a vibrant performance filled with love for our country. I request Ms. Ridhima Gadekar to share a few words about the patriotic dance.
Esteemed parents and guests, good morning one and all. Today we proudly celebrate Independence Day, a movement to honor the brave heroes who gave us freedom and cherish the unity that binds us as a nation. Let's continue to build a stronger, inclusive India where every voice is heard and every dream is valued. May the value of independence inspire us all to work together for progress, peace and prosperity. On this auspicious occasion, our little superstars are set to shine with their vibrant and patriotic Jai Ho dance performance. So please give a big round of applause to our future leaders and welcome them on stage. The children participating in this song are Samaira Sawant, Laksh Verma, Kabir Chopra, Avik Tandreja, Athar Mishra, Anaika Rane, Vinayak Khurana, Nurvi Vaitsarkar, Arav Shinde, Zoe Jain, Ayansh Parekh, Shrisha Chinta, Arush Trivedi, Yuvan Sharma, Lakshit Reddy and Trisha Rai.
Let's clap for them, parents. They are all set, ready to rock. Are we ready, ma'am? was a colorful and lively performance. We can continue the applause, parents, as they walk off the stage as well. Well done, children. Now we have the second set of our playgroup children who are again coming on the stage to rock the ramp. So may I call upon Avni ma'am to continue with the event.
Moving further, let's all give a round of applause to our little learners proudly dressed as various national heroes and national symbols as they celebrate the spirit of Independence Day. Starting with Mother Teresa, a kind heart for all to see. She helped people with love and made the world happy with her selfless service. Here is Kiara Borkar reminding us the power of compassion she possesses.
I am Mother Teresa.
The revolution has begun. Akshal Sachdeva is a tiny Mahatma Gandhi ji marching towards a brighter future with courage and conviction.
Daddy.
Sweet as the king of fruits is a little mango, Janki Shri Jadhav, juicy and delightful, just like our national fruit.
Mango.
The pride of a countryside, the banyan tree. A national tree portrays strength, wisdom, and shelter, just like Kisha Ahire. Now we have a tiny tot, Anaisha Sahu, dressed as a beautiful Kashmiri girl represented by Anaira Khanna. This symbol stands for purity, beauty, strength, and blooming even in muddy waters. Now, let's welcome a brave little learner, Vedant Sinha, dressed as a fearless freedom fighter, Bhagat Singh, who inspired the nation with courage and patriotism. Jhansi ki Rani Lakshmi Bai, the queen of courage and bravery is here. Namami Singh Kaushal is walking with the same fearlessness and determination. Thank you, my little kindergartners, for bringing India's rich history and culture to life today. Let's all gather on the stage with your biggest smile for a group photo.
They deserve a round of applause, parents. Let's continue clapping for them as they are standing on the stage to take photos. Well done, my little playgroup angels. Let's go to class, okay? Good job. So playgroup teachers, they deserve all the smileys, all the stars that they can get today. to our motherland, Prep 2 students will be presenting a sweet, beautiful song for us. So this is the last year that our Prep 2 students will be performing for Swaraj. So let's give them a big round of applause as they come on stage. For India. I would like to invite Anaya Singh to propose the vote of thanks, and parents, I kindly request that after the national anthem, if you could just wait 5 minutes for us as well.
On behalf of India Paradise Academy, we would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all the parents who have joined us today. Your presence here means a lot to us. Your support and encouragement are invaluable to us. We should all remember freedom is not given, it is earned. Let's honor it every single day. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. I request all of you to stand for the national anthem.
विनायक जय हे भारत विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की of Swaraj. But along with that, it's a special day as well for us. It's the birthday of our beloved director, Mrs. Sally Bhosle ma'am. And Mr. Shreyas Bhosle has planned a surprise for her. So just give us 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Oh, they are excited to see the cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sally ma'am. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
So all the best wishes. All the best wishes to Sally ma'am. May all your dreams come true. Yes, we are.